Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Flexcare 360 healthcare app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Flexcare 360 is a healthcare management app designed to connect patients, clinicians, and care teams through a centralized digital platform. The app focuses on improving communication, tracking patient progress, and enabling virtual support across various stages of treatment. It's available on major mobile platforms and is commonly used in clinical environments that follow structured care programs. The app's main feature is its care coordination dashboard, allowing providers to share updates, assign tasks, monitor symptoms, and review patient-reported data. Flexcare 360 also includes secure messaging, appointment reminders, digital care plans, and progress trackers to help patients stay on top of their treatment goals. Everything runs quietly in the background so both patients and clinicians can manage care with minimal hassle. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its organized interface, streamlined communication, and the ability to receive timely reminders and personalized care instructions. Healthcare teams value the real-time data sharing and structured workflows, which help reduce delays and improve follow-up consistency. For patients, the app often contributes to feeling more supported and informed throughout their care journey. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional syncing issues and delayed notifications. Access to certain features may depend on the healthcare organization using the app, meaning the experience can vary. In addition, it relies on stable connectivity for real-time updates, which may be challenging for users in low network areas. In summary, the Flexcare 360 app may be worth using if you want better communication with your care team, structured treatment support, and a centralized place to manage your health updates. However, if your clinic does not fully integrate digital tools or you prefer traditional in-person coordination, it might not feel essential for your routine. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.